Hello students, starting with problem set 33. I hope you will have understood problem set 32. Write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. Okay children, when any number which are multiples of 2, what is the meaning of multiple of 2? First and foremost you have to do 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers means like 100, 150 or 152, 154, so 156. Why this number children? Because see, the numbers at unit place are divisible by 2. Okay, if you divide this 3 digits number by 2, then your answer will be 0. On top, see, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So see, 0, 2, 4, 6, if I write 158. So this all numbers are, you can divide them by 2. They all are divisible by 2. Okay. So we require write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. If you divide them by 2, then you will get answer as 0. So they all are multiples of 2. Okay. So I will write these 3 numbers. These 5 numbers: 150, 152, 154, 156, 158. Anything you can write. You can write 200, 202, 204, 206. Because when you will divide them by 2, the answer will be always 0. So 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. Okay. Now write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 5. So when any multiples of 5 will have the last number 0 or 5. When it is a multiple of 2, the last number will be numbers which are divisible by 2. For example, why there is a difference? See, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, no? 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So 3-digit numbers now they require. So I can write what, 100 and 100. Okay, let me write 200, 205, 210, 215, 220. If you divide 5 by 200, if you divide 200 by 5, 5 fours are 20, so 5 is 0. 5 40s are 200. Okay, so the answer is always 0. So this is the multiple of, these are the multiples of 5. Okay children, 5 40s are 200. 5, if you divide 205 with 5, so this is 20, 0, 0, 5, 41s are. So answer is what? 0. And 5 41s are. If you divide them and you get the answer as 0, means these are the multiples of 0 and 5. And 5, no, all the numbers end with 0 and 5. Okay. Now write 5 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 10. So you can write 300, 310, 350, 400 and 450. You can write 500, you can write 600. See, 3-digit number they have mentioned. Okay, so I am writing bigger numbers. Don't write 10, 20, 30, 40 because they have mentioned. Write 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as of 3. 5 numbers which are multiples of 2 as well as 3. See, 6. 6 is a multiple of 2. How, children? See. 2 3s is also 6 and 6 2s is also 6. So it goes in 2's table also and it goes in 3's table also. Now same with 12. 2 6 is 12. Okay. And 3 4s is also 12. So 12 goes in 2's table also and it goes in 3's table also. Now next number is 18. 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 is also 18. So 18 goes in 3's table also and in 2's table also. Then the next number is 24. 2 12s is 24. 2 10s are 20. 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Okay, children. Then 3 8s is also 24. So the 24 goes in 2's table also and in 3's table also. And last one, see, I'm writing it here. There is no place, so I'm writing it here. 30. What is the next number? 30. 30. 2 15s is 30 and 3 10s is also 30. So these numbers go in. This is the answer. Okay. 2, 12, 18, 24, 30. This all number go in 2's table also and in 3's tables also. They are all multiples of 2 as well as 3. Okay, children. I am doing question number 3. I have completed question number 2. Question number 3 I am doing it for you. Let us do. A ribbon is 3 meter long. Can we cut it into 50 pieces, 50 centimeter per pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why and why not. So there is a 3 meter long ribbon. There is one ribbon which is 3 meter long. How long it is? 3 meter. Now they are saying, can we cut it into 50 centimeter? 50 centimeter. Can you cut it into 50 centimeter? And have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. First, see, children, what is given? 3 meter. Okay. Ribbon. And this is 50 centimeter. We have to cut it into pieces. Okay. This is given. Okay. This is given. Now see, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right, children? So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Because 50 centimeter is there. That's why I have written 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Now let us see. $300 can be divided by 50. 300 can be divided by 50 centimeter. Right, children? So let us divide it. Fifty ones are 50. 50 ones are 50. 50 twos are 100. 50 threes are 150. 50 fours are 200. 50 fives are 250. 56 are 300. Okay, children. So 56 is 300. So the answer is 0, 0. So you can divide 50. You can divide 300 by 50. And the answer is equal to 6. So you can get 6 pieces. So you can, nothing is left. See, the answer is 0, 0, 0. Right, children? So the answer is 0, 0. So you can write 3 meter long ribbon can be cut into 50 centimeter by pieces. Okay, so 3 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 300 centimeter. 1 by is equal to 300 centimeter. You can cut them into 6 pieces. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, 6 piece. Each piece is of 50 centimeter. Okay, हर piece कितना सेंटीमीटर का है? 50 centimeter. So 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50 is 150, 150 plus 50 is 200, 200 plus 50 is 250, 250 plus 50 is 300. So you can cut this 300 centimeter ribbon into 50 centimeter per piece. So you should write 3 meter long ribbon can be cut into 50 centimeter. We can get 6 pieces each of length 50 centimeter. Right, children? From a ribbon 3 meters long. मैंने आपको देखो यहाँ भी एक्सप्लेन किया है, कैसे हमें 6 मिला वो भी एक्सप्लेन किया है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you will solve by yourself. This is your homework. I'm stopping today's chapter here because this I will do in next class. Okay, thank you.